The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage fleeting trend to advance. In any case, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the tremendous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally bridled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin Money, BCH, functionalities of standard reception. When BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to support English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH too. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Bitcoin Money specialized examination, grasping the nitty-gritties, a profound infiltration into the raw numbers of Bitcoin Money, has an out-and-out various story to uncover, notwithstanding having large future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 MB block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, thusly, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of redoing to show greater deftness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the task's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin Money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin Money had a worth of more than $4,000, and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. Being quite possibly of the most established player in the cryptographic money market, Bitcoin Money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in believability among big business organizations. Its convention's genuine applications have additionally covered various significant classes that undertaking organizations might actually be keen on. What's more, Bitcoin Money's huge local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention enhancements, could be considered by big business organizations as an innovative advantage. As indicated by determined Bitcoin Money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $266.80 as most extreme cost in 1 year. As per the key examination and cost figure, independent of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin Money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $188. Bitcoin Money is anticipated to begin in WAC 2023 at $94.587 and finish the month at $105.004. During spring, the greatest estimated BCH cost is $109.339 and the base cost is $74.351. The Bitcoin Money project group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the customary method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot TipMebshbit, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. The last year was a distinct advantage for BCH as well as for a large portion of the monetary standards, including digital currencies, along with fiat. World economies somersaulted radically considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin Money. BCH cost forecast from that point forward has begun floating towards hopefulness than cynicism. Merchants and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Consequently, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very uplifting. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way regularly every 2 or 3 years. In the primary portion of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $105 and $275 as the greatest cost in the final part. Sooner rather than later, reasonable, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for acceleration, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As indicated by Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its loss force and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin money value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will lead the crypto market, with an exhibition cost fixed around $300 in the long-term end. In the main portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $250 and $350 as the greatest cost in the last part. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectations. There will be an uncommon change in the Bitcoin money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures for the long haul and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be actually worth 10 to 100x more than its up until recently all-time high, in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $352 and $440 as the greatest cost in the final part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $445 in 2025 continuously's end. Be that as it may, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on unbelievable assumptions. 2. Markets stay as great as usual. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. In light of our own exploration and Bitcoin money cost estimate, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $510. BCH conjecture helps in effective money management with perfect timing. In the main portion of 2026, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $480 and $540 as the greatest cost in the final part. Bitcoin money value forecast 2027. As indicated by Bitcoin cash cost expectation, conquering the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market opinion of Bitcoin money. BCH. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin